Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is T from Betty and Brenda, and today I'm making bubble bath scoops. If you've never heard of bubble bath scoops, it's like a solid bubble bath. I actually have some available in my girls line on bettyandbrenda.com, but I'm making a new one today that's going to smell like cotton candy. So in this bowl, I already have baking soda as well as SLSA powder. When you're using SLSA powder, you want to make sure you wear a mask. It's very, very powdery. It's very, very dusty, and the fumes or the dust from it can get into your throat, into your nose, and it can be very irritating. Over here, I have my citric acid separated in a bowl, and here I have some cocoa butter. And in this one, I have my fragrance, olive oil, and polysorbate 80. Polysorbate 80 is used to keep the coloring that you add to your bath bombs or your bubble bath scoops from collecting on the sides of your tub. So, like I said, it will be a cotton candy smell, and I'm using pink sugar from Crafter's Choice as the fragrance. And I'm coloring these blue and pink. I'm using Caribbean Sea from Crafter's Choice as the blue, and then Oleander Pink from Nurture Soap as my pink part. So let's go ahead and get started. With this, I like for mine to be a lot stickier than with a bath bomb. I like for it to be doughy, so that way when you scoop it, it stays together in the scoop. Now that I have my mixtures all mixed up with the colors that I want, I'm just going to drop in little pieces of the colors, making different layers of each. Drop in the blue on the bottom. And just And then a layer of pink on top of that. And of course, I'll keep doing this until I have used all of the mixture. Now that I have all of that mixed up, I have my scoop right here. It's just a medium-sized scoop. I'm gonna take my mixture, and I like to scoop it out and put it on wax paper. You'll see, fill it up like so. And just, there you go. Show you another one. Scoop it into the ice cream scoop. Press it down just a little. And then onto the paper. Look how pretty that is. Go. Into the scooper. And it looks like little ice cream scoops. So here we are. I've finished placing all of the scoops on the wax paper. What I'll do is let these dry overnight. They'll harden up. They make wonderful bubbles for your kids, but not just for kids. I actually use these myself when I feel like having a nice bubble bath. You take them, you crumble them up under the running water, and they make the most amazing bubbles. I will bring you back tomorrow and show you exactly how you use them and give you an example of all of the bubbles they make. So I'll see you then. Hi guys, so it's the next morning and here are my bubble bath scoops. It was kind of late last night when I made these, so they didn't really get to harden the way that I wanted them to, but I still wanted to show you what the actual bubbles look like. So we're gonna turn on the water and just gonna smash them. You would normally crumble them. but again, it's still kind of soft. Get to see. Like I said, normally this would be a crumble, but you still get to see what all of the bubbles that these things make. You just crumble them up, or normally you would crumble them up under the running water. And look at that. Look at all the bubbles. Sorry, it's such a mess, but it'll feel a little soft as I mentioned. And because I put that cocoa butter and that nice amount of olive oil in there, my skin feels so soft and smooth. But there you go. And of course you can add 1 bubble scoop, you can add 2, you can add as many as you like to get the desired bubbles that you like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can get a message every time I put out a video. I put out videos every Wednesday and every Saturday. The cotton candy bubble scoops are available on bettyandbrenda.com. And I guess that's it for this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.